Okay, next question. Let G be a complete undirected graph on 4 vertices having 6 edges with weights 1 to 6. Okay, the maximum possible weight and that a minimum weight spanning tree of G can have is this. Okay, now see this. So there are basically this graph is a complete graph of 4 vertices. So what could be the maximum weight of the minimum spanning tree? Okay, let me see this. Okay, now see. Suppose if the weight of this edge is 1 unit and the weight of this edge is 2 units. The weight of this edge is 1 unit, the weight of this edge is 2 units. Now there are remaining, how many weights are available? 1, 2 is over, and 3, 4, 5, 6. So definitely 1 and 2 are going to be used in the minimum cost spanning tree. This is true. But now the question is, this edge is forming a cycle. And if in this edge I put the weight of any of the vertex, any of this edge weight, suppose it is 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me take an example. Suppose if I am putting as 6. Then this edge is never going to be used. This edge is never going to be used. It means, so this 6 weight is never going to be used. So after this, at this edge, suppose if you are putting as 5, here you are putting as 4, and here you are putting as 3. Then what will be the corresponding minimum spanning tree? The spanning tree will be like this: A, B, this is 1, A to D is 2, and A to C is 3. So what is the weight? 3 to 5 plus 1, 6. But the question is it the largest weight possible, or is it the maximum weight possible? And definitely the answer is no. This is not the larger. This is not the maximum weight possible. And the reason is, suppose that if this edge weight, that we are putting here out of these weights is not largest, it is the smallest. Let me take an example. Suppose if it is 3. So if it is 3, then the other weights could be like either it could be 4, it could be 5, it could be 4, it could be 6. So now you will not use this 3. So if you will not use this 3 and definitely you are going to use 1 and 2, then what are the other possibility that you are going to use? It means you cannot use this, and out of these 3, now because it is a spanning tree, so you have to select the smallest. So out of the 3, what is the smallest? 4 is the smallest. 4 is the smallest. It means now the thing will be like this. So A, B, C and D. So A to B is 1, and B to C suppose 2, and A to C is 3, and this is 4, and this is 5, and this is 6. Now take this example. In this example, now you will not be able to use this edge weight 3. Suppose initially you will take A to B 1. Definitely it is the smallest you will take. Next B to D 2. But now you will not select A to C. What is the next? Next smallest is A to C. So what is this? Now the spanning tree is over, and what is the cost? 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 7 units. So the answer here is 7 but not 6. And the trick was, in this cycle you can just throw out this edge which is having weight 3 units. Okay. The question is asking about the maximum, not the minimum. Okay. In the minimum it could be definitely 3, but in the maximum it is not 3, it is 7 only. Okay. So the answer of this question is 7 units, and this is the way how you can represent the following graph.